Happy Mother's Day, everybody! Good morning! Welcome to my Mommy Bells for Mama Angie's Chicken. Okay, so anong niready ko? Meron akong banana ketchup. Filipinos, you know banana ketchup. Yes, yes, there is a ketchup made out of bananas. Mustard, liquid seasoning. Okay, this is turmeric with ginger tea. O, diba? Of course, our soy sauce. And my secret weapon, banana. Para kasing sweet ng Mommy Bell or Mama Angie. And of course, peppercorn. Para may konting hotness. Um, chili. With, of course, our onions. So, pinagsama-sama ko lahat yan. Tapos, here is the output. Ta-da! Yan. I mash it all together. And actually, I made this the marinade for the chicken. Tapos, yung chicken na isa nandito na, nasa turbo na. What we need to do then is to get the chicken and the chili, put inside. Lagay lahat sa loob. Yan. Okay. I have 2 chickens. One for dito sa bahay and another one dadalhin ko kasi kay mama ko. Siyempre, Mother's Day ngayon. Yan. Okay. I've marinated the chicken for 30 minutes already. Ta-da! Okay. The other chicken is already here inside sa aking turbo. Okay. Kailangan lang ilagay ang chicken, ang banana sa loob ng chicken. So that when they do eat the chicken later, merong sweetness sa loob. Diba? Kasi sweet ni Ate Belle. Okay, Caleb calls me Tita Bear. Other people, they call me Ate Belle. The others, they call me Mom Belle. For my children, they call me Mommy Belle. Okay. Kanina ko pa ito minarinate, 30 minutes na. So, dalawang flavor yan. Hindi ko agad hinalo yung pepper. Kasi gusto ko yung pepper sa loob siya ng sa labas siya ng isang chicken. Okay? Pepper. Okay. Massage. Yan, sana ngayong Mother's Day, makatikim ako ng massage. Diba? Miss ko na yun eh. Mga kasama kong mother dyan. Yan. Hindi man kayo namamassage. Just massage the chicken. Okay. Massage the chicken. The other chicken I've already massaged. Okay. Parang yung sakit sa likod ng mommy. Back rub. Yan. Tapos yung sakit sa kamay. Wing rub. Yan. Rub the chicken. Okay. Later, so after having put yung chicken mo, marinate. Okay. Saka na lang. Lagay na ang chicken sa loob. Okay. Ang aking turbo, umiikot syempre ang hangin dyan, di ba? Okay. Medyo paghiwalayin ko sila ng konti. How to hiwalay? Okay, you get your banana. Yung banana skin, I don't throw away. I put sa akin FFJ fresh fruit. Oh my God, maraming fruit flies. Okay, bilisan natin magluto. Okay, so luluto ko yung aking chicken, fast cooking. Dapat actually yung turbo preheated eh, pero mabasag ang turbo eh, no? Okay, there. So yung sobra, put on top. Okay. This is why I love cooking. Actually, yung mga anak ko, they don't like me cooking. Why? Kasi daw, pagkatapos ko nagluto, yung lahat ng kalat ko, sila maglilinis. Okay, so, you cook this for 45 minutes, high heat sa turbo natin. Then, this will be my gift kay mama ko. Marami naman akong gift sa kanya. Pero, isa na itong gift. Ang aking turbo chicken ay well known sa Imano family. Yes, yes, yes. Kasi it's well known because they don't know kung anong ilalagay ko. Oh, syempre, you have to be experimental, di ba? Maraming boring kasi dyan kung magluluto ka. Sorry I'm out of the frame. Okay, getting something. Okay, kung magluluto ka from the heart, diba? Tapos, lagyan mo na ng ng excitement yung lulutuin mo. Put in your kind of character. Eh, yung character ko kasi sa kanila is experimental and cannot be forecasted kung anong gagawin, iluluto. Okay, sometimes they eat it and enjoy it. Sometimes they eat it and they tell me, thank you very much, they love me. Pero actually, they did not enjoy it. Pero basically, itong ingredients ko na to, well known na sila. So, okay na to. Mag-enjoy na dito ang family ninyo. Just in case na gusto nyong kopyahin, simple lang naman eh. Just make sure na palatable yung ilalabas mong pagkain and healthy, 'di ba? So wala naman ako ibang nilagay dito. Sobra-sobra na nga lang eh. Of course, I forgot to tell you that I put 2 tablespoons of sugar. Kasi isang tablespoon of sugar, of salt. Isang tablespoon of salt para sa isang chicken and another one para sa kabilang chicken. Okay? So, lulutuin na to. So everybody, Happy Mother's Day. O mga bata, please remember to tell your mommies Happy Mother's Day. O ilinuwal kayo ng mga yan. Ngayon, kung kayo adopted and may nagpalaki sa inyong ibang mommy, tell them Happy Mother's Day. Today is Mother's Day. Sabihin na natin commercialize sa Mother's Day. But basically, nandiyan na tayo eh. Let's just go along with it and let's feel the feeling of loving your moms. Okay, Mama Angelina Bautista, Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Gabi, Dr. Angie, Happy Mother's Day. Sister Ru, Angelica, Say, Happy Mother's Day. MJ, Happy Mother's Day. Yan, yung mga tatay, Happy Mother's Day, sabihin sa kanila, ha? And of course, my mother-in-law, Happy Mother's Day, Mommy Glo. Yay! So, sa akin pong mga kaibigan dyan, at saka aking mga office mate, aking mga staff, hindi ko na kayo mention na isa-isa kasi sa dami ng kakilala ko, maubos ang ating oras para lang sa pag-greet ng Happy Mother's Day. Basta importante lang, kung kaya nyo magluto, magluto kayo. Kung hindi nyo kaya magluto, try nyo pa rin magluto. Diba? Because, sabi nga natin, the way to anyone's heart is through the stomach. Just make sure na makakain nyo. Okay? So, do you see what's in the back sa akin? Oh, that's my little garden. Susunod, tayo ulit. Hindi ko iluluto yung mga halaman na yan. Although I do make teas out of the halaman that I have here in my garden. But for now, this is it. Mommy Bell's Turbo Chicken. Luto na! Bye everyone! Try to subscribe. Siguro naman marami akong masasabing mas maganda pa other than sa pagluluto. Bye everyone!